I want to make beef stew, and last minute I decided to get Titus fish as well. What I'll do is to wash this. I'm going to put in salt. I'm hoping that my microphone helps muffle all the funny sounds that me I'm hearing. Let's season the beef. Salt. This is beef seasoning. A bit of curry. This is the, this is the only curry I love to use, Ducros. And for people who buy that big pack of Ducros, I don't think Ducros has a big type. I think this is the original Ducros. So curry thyme, white pepper, ginger, garlic, and I'm going to blend pepper and onion. Some onion. Chop. And is to put um let's put a bit more water. So now I'm going to put in some pepper and some onion. I love onion, so I tend to use a lot. I think I should put a bit more onion here actually. My favorite things to do now is to just use my new pot. Just use them. So in here I'm going to put some onion, some pepper, quickly put in some water. That's for fish. So I want it to mix before I put it in. Then I'm going to put I'm going to use this crayfish Maggi seasoning. So I'm putting in the fish. Over, over here I'm putting rice on fire. Over here I'm going to blend these tomatoes. This is what it looks like. So the next thing I'm doing is to take out this fish and I'm going to air fry it. I'm already heating up the air fryer. So I've just washed off the rice and I'm about to put it on fire. Shit. So the rice is actually okay and I've taken that out. So what I want to do now is take out the beef because it's also properly cooked. So in as much as I like this pot, every part of it gets so hot, unbearably hot. You know, with certain pots, you can even manage to maybe touch the handle. This one, cannot try it to be fitting. So I want to transfer this here. So let's put this pot on fire. We're going to start making the stew here. I'm going to fry the plantain over here. So let's put in some oil, put in onion. I'm going to cover the pot though. I don't want anything splashing here. I really cannot deal with that right now. Because laziness and I are already dragging ourselves this evening, laziness and tiredness, I'm going to fry this one. Okay. Okay, so now I want to put in, going with this sachet tomato, bit of curry, a bit of nutmeg powder. So I want to know, do you only use nutmeg for baking? Because me, I use it to cook. Oh. I use it to make stew, just a tiny bit. And I love how it turns out. A bit of seasoning. So why I don't even want to put a lot of, I don't want to put garlic and ginger again because it's going to be too spicy. And I still have some pepper here in frying. Also, do you guys like soft fried plantain or hard one? I really like the hard plantain. I don't like soft plantain. It's hard for me to eat. Like it's just I don't eat it. I don't like it. If this plantain was already too ripe, I wouldn't fry it this way because then they will soften too much. So I'm going to take out the plantains. I don't know what this is called. Maybe a picker. Well, I got it when I got my other spoon set, and since then I've been enjoying frying plantain. Yeah, this looks so good. At this point, I'm going to put in the water. I actually have a lot of stock, much, plenty. So what you're looking at is white pepper. I added a bit because I just tasted it and it wasn't spicy. So I added some white pepper. Now the water in this stew is still a bit much. But I want to put this chicken. I say chicken. Ah, God, I beg you. But I need to put in this beef and fish so that everything can marry properly. There's plenty water in it, so I'm just going to allow it to cook down. Cool down, and I boiled it until everything married all the way. Feeling this stew is spicier than I think. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.